This is our functional trainer. It resembles a cable cross machine. This is an excellent machine to do an array of multiple exercises, as well as use several different apparatuses depending on what muscle group you like to target. You could do full body exercises as well as isolation exercises. What makes this machine unique are the arms. We can move the arms up and down, up, as well as side to side. Another great feature of this machine, you can use one side. You do not have to use both in any exercise that you are performing. Again, you adjust the weight by using the pins. As you can see, we already have several exercises on the machine itself, but you can be as creative as you want. Again, as I alluded to, it resembles a cable cross machine, and you can use different apparatuses and you can perform multiple exercises. Again, full body as well as isolation.